So guys, part 2. So here it is. I'm nearly done. Can you see? Can you see that? Can you see this? Yeah. Like that. It's like that. So I'm gonna put more here. I'm gonna put more here. Hope it won't drop, yeah, because this is really big, and hope it won't drop. Oh, be careful guys with this glue gun. It's really hurt when it hits you. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, that look nice. Something look nice. Let's go something back over here. One more guys over here. I don't have glue gun anymore. I don't have glue anymore. So this is just simple one. Let me turn off the light. If you can see this, and I'm gonna put this is simple one. Here it is. Here's the simple pin holder. Alright. So what else we can put in here? Scissors. So here you go guys. This is the simple DIY. This I can turn it off. I'm done now. And I'll see you for my next DIY video. Stay tuned always in my arts channel. And I hope you like it. And I gotta do more DIY. Gonna do more DIY, different kind of stuff. See, and yeah, I'll see you next time. You can see. So that is my simple candle hold. I hope you like it, and I'll see you to the next video ahead. Okay, guys. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. I need to have somebody to take me a video, so I will not gonna turn like this. Thank you, and please subscribe. Bye.